AI Dropshipping 2026. How to start and make thousands per month with artificial intelligence beginner-friendly. Intro and hook. Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to start an online business that can make you thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars per month without holding inventory, without shipping products yourself, and without any big upfront costs, then stay tuned. In 2026, dropshipping is still one of the best ways to make money online, but the real game changer is artificial intelligence. I'm going to show you step-by-step how to build a profitable AI-powered dropshipping business in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. What is Dropshipping Plus? Why AI makes it easier in 2026? First, a quick recap. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without ever touching them. You create a store, list products. When someone buys, your supplier ships directly to the customer, and you keep the profit. In 2026, AI has made this model 10 times easier and more profitable, sending products in seconds, and you can too. Step 1. Choose your niche and find winning products with AI. The most important part is picking the right products. In 2026, the best niches are smart home gadgets, beauty and skincare tools, phone accessories, pet products, kitchen gadgets. How to find winners with AI. Use ChatGPT or Grok. Ask, give me 20 trending products in the pet niche for 2026 with high demand and low competition. Use AI tools like Trend, Ecom Hunt, or Autods. They use AI to show you products already selling thousands of units. Check TikTok Creative Center or Google Trends for rising searches. Pro tip, look for products priced between $20 $80 with at least 30 to 50% profit margin after ads. Step 2. Build your store with AI, no coding needed. The easiest platform is Shopify. It costs $39 a month and takes less than an hour to set up. AI tools that make it super simple. Page or Pagefly AI automatically design beautiful product pages and home pages. Autods or DSER's AI-powered apps that import products from AliExpress or dropshipping in one click and keep prices updated automatically. Use ChatGPT to write your store's about us, policies, and product titles, descriptions. Example prompt, write a professional product description for a lead face mask that sounds premium and converts well. Step 3. Create professional product images and videos with AI. You don't need a photographer or videographer anymore. That's free, cheap AI tools in 2026. Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Flex create stunning product photos on white background or lifestyle scenes. Pipit AI Hagen or Runway generate short 15-second TikTok ads showing a smart pet feeder in under 5 minutes. No filming required. Step 4. Run ads with AI TikTok and Facebook. In 2026, TikTok ads are still the #1 traffic source for dropshipping. AI tools that make ads easy and profitable. Add Creative.ai or Pencil AI automatically generate dozens of ad variations, images plus copy and predict which will perform best. ChatGPT for ad copy. Write 5 high-converting TikTok ad scripts for a lead face mask. Use TikTok's built-in AI targeting to find the right audience automatically. Step 5. Automate everything with AI. Autods or Zendrop AI handles order fulfillment, tracking updates, and price optimization. Gorgia's AI or Tidio AI chatbots answer 80 to 90% of customer questions 24/7. Klaviyo AI send personalized abandoned cart emails and upsell emails automatically. Real results and final tips. Real examples. Beginners in 2025 to 2026 using these AI tools reach $10,000, $50,000 a month within 3 to 6 months. One creator I know made $38,000 in his first month with AI-generated TikTok ads for pet products. Final tips. Start small. Test 5 to 10 products. Reinvest profits into ads. Always focus on customer service. Be patient. The first month is usually for testing. Call to action. If you're ready to start your AI dropshipping business in 2026, drop a comment below with "I'm in," and I'll send you my free AI prompts pack. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big opportunity.